We discover 6 amazing AI bots that will blow your mind. In this video, we will show you 6 different ways to use them to earn money online with very little effort, as these AI bots will handle you all the work for you.
Let's start with the first AI bot which will help you make money through DesignCrowd.com. DesignCrowd is a platform where you can sell graphics design services to people all around the world.
People are making a lot of money on this platform, with some earning hundreds of thousands of dollars. By submitting logo design, for example, you can see that there are currently 200 available jobs, each paying around $150 and $300.
To make this process easier, you can use an AI bot called Night Cafe Studio. With just one click of button, you can generate art and different design by entering a text prompt and then select the one you like the best. You can then download your design on your computer.
To remove the background, you can use another AI bot called remove.bg. Upload the design and you will receive the image with a transparent background. Finally, you can use a website called canva.com to turn the design into a logo and submit it to your client, to earn potentially $200. With this AI bot, you can make money online without having to do much work.
AI number 2. Another way to make money using AI bots is through Naming Force. Naming Force is a platform where businesses, startups and companies come to get ideas for naming the brand new product, business or company. You can earn money by submitting name ideas to these contests. For example, the latest winners have made up to $200 just for submitting a single name for a business.
To help with name ideas, you can use an AI bot called ChatSonic. ChatSonic is a chatbot created by WriteSonic that can generate names ideas for your business. Ask ChatSonic to write a list of name ideas for your business, for example, a new software product.
ChatSonic will then submit a list of potential name ideas for your product, which you can copy and paste into Naming Force to enter a contest. And if your name is chosen, you can earn up to $200 without doing much.
With the third AI bot, you can make money by starting a YouTube short channel. From February the 1st, 2023, you can monetize your YouTube shorts with the potential to receive hundreds of millions of views in a single year. You can use a tool like video.ai to make a short video from long ones instantly.
The design and performance of video.ai may not be perfect. It's a great idea and there will be better alternatives available in future. Currently, you can use this tool for free by simply inserting a URL for a long YouTube video and clicking one button to generate different shorts that you can download and upload to your channel.
So, after selecting the desired short from content and templates, video.ai will process the video, which can take up to 30 times the video's length. For example, a 10 minutes video can take up to 30 minutes to generate multiple YouTube shorts that you can upload to your channel with full caption. We will check back later to see the results.
Let's move on to the next AI bot, which is another way to make money using AI selling voice acting services. In the past, this was impossible because the voiceover generated by AI bots sounded robotic and fake.
But now AI has significantly improved and will continue to do so in the future. You can use a tool like 11 Labs to offer a unique and high quality voice acting service that are the same as those done by human voice actors. With this tool, you can input your text and choose from a range of pre-made voices, or even submit your own voice to make it unique.
And the result is a natural sounding voiceover that you can download and sell to the client on various platforms like peopleperhour.com, fiverr.com or freelancer.com. You can charge around $25 per 1,000 words, and delivery time is lightning fast because you can generate and deliver the voiceover in matter of minutes.
Traditional voiceover freelancer might take 24 hours or more to deliver the work. 11 Labs charges around $1 for 8,000 characters or 1,200 words, so you can still charge less than the competition and offer fast delivery, while maintaining a high quality work. This way you can outcompete other voiceover freelancers and make a profit.
Now, before we move on the next topic related AI, let's check out the video that video.ai has created for us. We have 5 clips available, so let's take a look at the first one. We have the ability to edit the video if you want to, but I noticed that there are auto-generated captions included. That's good. The title is displayed in a shortened form and the caption are located below, which provides a more engaging viewing experience.
With just one click, we can easily download the video to our computer or edit it to our preferences. As a personal review of this tool, I can say that it has a very good potential in saving us time, but you probably need to edit a bit.
And another way to earn money with AI bots is offering photo restoration services on platforms like Etsy, Fiverr or other freelancing sites. You can see example of sellers on Etsy making significant profit from this service.
For example, this one seller charges $19 and has over thousands sales. This service involves taking old damaged photos and restoring them to the original quality using software like Photoshop.
However, instead of paying someone to restore the image, you can use a free online tool like palette.fm to colorize the image. And once the image is colorized, you can download it and submit it to your client on Etsy or Fiverr, charging anywhere from $5 to $15.
Keep in mind that palette.fm is only for colorizing images, not for restoring the quality. For that, you can use a tool like restorephotos.io to increase the image resolution and clarity. By using this both together, you can deliver a high-quality colorized image to your client in just a few seconds.
The final way to profit from AI bots is using a tool called Devi, which allows you to keep an eye on Facebook groups, LinkedIn and Twitter. This is especially useful because you can gain a variety of insights as well as sell product on Facebook groups.
These groups are focused on specific content, such as muscle gain or growing a YouTube and TikTok channel, and can contain hundreds of thousands of members. As an affiliate, we promote a tool called VidIQ that assists users in gaining more views and subscribers on YouTube and TikTok.
You can join various groups relevant to your content and enter keywords into Devi's leads section. So whenever a member mentions a specific keyword like grow my TikTok channel or get more views, you receive an immediate notification.
You can then offer them your product and earn a commission through your affiliate link. Since there are many groups and constant activity, it would be impossible to keep track of everything without Devi. This method enables you to immediately offer your product to potential customers and make money online straight away.
So these are 6 different ways you can use AI bots to earn an income. We hope you found this video helpful, and if so, please give it a like.
And don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more future content and update. Thank you and see you soon.
Bye.